In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit cash into a margin account on Robinhood. If you're looking to enhance your trading capabilities and want to know how to seamlessly add funds to your Robinhood margin account, you've come to the right place. In the next 5 minutes, I'll walk you through each step, ensuring you understand the process thoroughly. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to Robinhood's official website. It's the starting point for all your stock trading and investing needs. Robinhood is known for offering commission-free trading, which is fantastic if you're keen on minimizing fees. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to familiarize yourself if you haven't visited in a while, as layouts can occasionally update. Now, locate the Login button. It's typically situated at the top right of the web page. Clicking Login will take you to the login page where you'll need to enter your credentials. Your username and password are your keys to access your personal financial world, so make sure they are entered correctly. If you're utilizing mobile authentication or any additional layers of security, this is when you'll follow those prompts as well. Once you're logged in, you're taken to your Robinhood homepage, which is essentially your dashboard. Here you'll see an overview of your account activities, latest stocks, market news, and more. It's the hub where all the financial action happens. Now, to deposit cash, look for the account menu. It's usually represented by a person icon if you're on desktop or available at the bottom of your screen on mobile devices. From the account menu, find the investing section. Once you're in the investing section, look for the option labeled Deposit Cash. This button is your gateway to adding funds to your margin account. Clicking on Deposit Cash will allow you to transfer money from your linked bank account right into your Robinhood account. Here, just input the amount you wish to deposit. Robinhood will guide you through selecting your bank if it's your first deposit, or confirm it if you've previously made transactions. It's important to note that deposits are generally quick, but could take a bit of time to fully process, depending on several factors, including your bank's policies. It's always good to plan your deposits ahead of trading activity to ensure you have the funds available when needed. And that wraps up our guide on depositing cash into your Robinhood margin account. Following these steps will ensure you have the capital ready to seize your next market opportunity. Thank you for watching, and happy trading!